Is eToro safe? eToro, a global social trading platform, has garnered significant attention in recent years. With its user-friendly interface and innovative features, it has attracted millions of investors worldwide. However, the question remains, is eToro truly safe for online trading? By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. Now that is out of the way, let's continue with our video. Before delving into the safety aspects of eToro, it's worth noting a few intriguing facts. Did you know that eToro was founded in 2007 by Israeli entrepreneurs Yoni Assia, Ronen Assia, and David Ring? Or that the platform was one of the first to introduce social trading, allowing users to copy the trades of successful investors? Now, let's address the core question. Is eToro safe? While no online trading platform can guarantee absolute safety, eToro has taken significant steps to ensure the security of its users' funds and data. The platform is regulated by several Tier 1 financial authorities, including the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the UK, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, CISC, and the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, ASIC. This regulatory oversight provides a layer of protection for investors. One of the key advantages of eToro is its robust security measures. The platform employs advanced encryption technology to safeguard user data and financial information. Additionally, eToro maintains strict segregation of client funds, ensuring that your money is kept separate from the company's assets. This practice minimizes the risk of financial loss in the event of insolvency. Moreover, eToro offers a wide range of educational resources to help investors make informed decisions. The platform provides tutorials, webinars, and market analysis to assist users in understanding the complexities of trading. This emphasis on education empowers investors and reduces the likelihood of impulsive or risky trades. However, it's essential to acknowledge that eToro, like any online trading platform, has its drawbacks. One potential disadvantage is the risk associated with social trading. While copying successful traders can be beneficial, it's crucial to exercise caution and conduct thorough research before following any particular strategy. Additionally, the platform's fees and commissions may vary depending on the type of account and trading activity. In conclusion, eToro is a reputable online trading platform that has implemented robust security measures and offers a range of benefits. While no platform can guarantee absolute safety, eToro's regulatory oversight, encryption technology, and emphasis on education provide a solid foundation for investors. However, it's essential to approach trading with a responsible mindset and conduct thorough research before making any investment decisions.